My name is Danica. I'm gonna show you the tour of my toy Chelsea's house. So yeah, next see please. First the garage. This is my brother's old car, racing car. This is the wheel thing, the radio and the cabinet, and two red chairs, and the thing here, and this mirror, and this car, the wheels. So let's move on to the spare bedroom. So this is the spare bedroom. This is a glue. We use this as her closet and her TV. So yeah, this is her closet. Here's her pink bed, and Nadia, my cousin, and my cousin Emily. I mean, you can call her Millie or Emily. And her bed, bean bag. So yeah, that's pretty much for the spare bedroom. So let's move on to my bedroom. This is my bedroom. This is made of sock, and this is my phone. Sooner or later, she's gonna have a laptop. And it says here Natasha. And a picture. I didn't glued it, I just glued it. When you see these things, I glue it. And this is my beanbag chair, and my stuff frames. My table, study table, yeah. My picture, this door sliding with pretty stuck now. And the rug. Let's move on to the sofa and the laundry room. This is the sofa. This is our chair. This is the metal. It's a real metal. This is the fire duct. You press this. When you press this, it's have a snowball, and it says here fire duct. So yeah, that's the fire duct, right? This is green bag. I really like green bags. I have a collection of this that I make of sock only. So this is the thing, you know. And we have no table because I'm making it table. This is laundry thing, dryer made of sock. You put it there, so yeah, it's beautiful. And this is the washer. Yeah, so that's washer. So let's move on to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. This is a sink, a cabinet that I make, a stove and a button in the sink, and a tray, and the 3 plates. So let's move on to the dining room. This is the dining room next to the kitchen. This is a charger thing that we use this as a table. And yeah, we use this as a light. That's much it for our house. So yeah, that's the garage, the bedroom, the sofa and the laundry, the kitchen and the dining room, my bedroom. Mom! I hope you like it. Please comment, please subscribe, please share, and please like. Bye. I hope you like it. Bye YouTube, bye Emma. Remember Emma, I'm your biggest fan. Bye.